In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change your language inside of cTrader. It's super easy to do. So there's essentially two ways to do it. And the first way is to, of course, log into your account on cTrade either on your smartphone device or your Windows computer. From here, you'll need to go up to the menu over here and then select right here called Sprache in German. But you can change it to whatever language you have down here. Let's change it to English for this tutorial. From here, you can see the workspace is loaded successfully, but there's also one more way to change your language, and that is to go down to the menu and then go down to Settings, and then go down to General down here. From here, you can see Language, where you can change it again from any of these other languages to English and other languages like Russian, Slovakia, all of these different languages. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!